What is up guys, today I'm gonna be showing you how you can set up two-step verification on Shopify. So the first thing you need to do guys, you want to log into your Shopify store. So after that guys, you need to click on your profile in the top right, and then you want to click on manage account, the first option. So after you click guys on manage account, what you need to do guys next, by the way, you can change here many things like your name. You can also add here phone number, you can edit here, and you can do a lot of things here. You can change the language. Like if you want to do two-step verification, you need to click on security. As you can see, two different options here, general and security. You want to go with security, and if you scroll down a little bit, you will see here something like authentication. I hope I pronounced this correctly. I don't know how to pronounce this word, authentication or whatever. So I know you understand me guys. So you just need to click on turn on two-step, as you can see, and here you want to click on authentic or whatever. I can't pronounce it, it's very hard for me. So you want to just log in using your Google, and you need to add here the phone number. And after guys you add the phone number, you want to select here the method, authentication method. You want to go, for example, with security key, SMS delivery. So you will receive an SMS text message with an authentication code that you need to enter when you log in. So I would suggest selecting the first option, and you just want to select here the country and your phone number, and you make sure you verify I am a human captcha. And it says here, after you click on send authentication code, make sure the correct number is there. Click on here, and then you will get a verification code. You want to enter it here, and then you want to click on enter it now, turn it on, and that way each time you want to log into your Shopify, it will ask you guys for a code that will be received by your phone number each time you want to log in. Okay, I hope it makes sense guys. So if this video helped you, please drop a like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys next video.